Good afternoon, it's Sarah from Hills. You find me here today over on this lovely quiet cul-de-sac tucked away within Ellesmere Park. We're over at Greenwood Place with this fabulous detached family home. You've got your double garage and multiple parking to the front. And then just tucked behind the gate, a well-kept garden, access back to the rear garden. And then this fabulous family home, which is laid over 3 fantastic floors, plenty of space throughout, 3 bathrooms, a bay-fronted lounge, and a fabulous open plan kitchen dining space. So we've just come through the entrance hallway, lovely low maintenance flooring throughout. You've got the LVT in the lounge, tiled hallway and kitchen. A stunning media wall, nice and bright with the bay, and then obviously the second window. The property's around 20 years old and has had 3 kitchens fitted in the time. These are the only owners that have owned the house. Your guest bathroom just to my left. And then storage tucked away beneath the stairs, just a cloakroom, and then into this fantastic kitchen. Gas 5-ring range cooker. You've got a floor to ceiling fridge and separate freezer, and then integrated washing machine, dishwasher, and as you can see, fabulous storage throughout. Cupboards ranging up to the ceiling. Out onto the rear garden, low maintenance Indian stone paving and that raised artificial lawn. Tucked away in the summer house, got electric throughout, just used for storage. And then there is also a shed, and then your seated area just tucked away beneath the shelter there and further storage. So as I mentioned, the property's laid over 3 floors. So to the first floor, you've got 4 bedrooms, family bathroom, and further storage. Lovely and bright, again, double windows in here. And fitted wardrobes in most of the bedrooms. So these 2 overlook the rear garden, which is just surrounded by trees, storage on the right, and then this fabulous bright 3-piece family bathroom suite with a vanity unit along with a further storage unit. Now positioned to the front, you've got your box room, should double up, again fitted storage in place. It will also double up as a fabulous office. And then the main bedroom on the first floor, floor to ceiling fitted wardrobes, complete with an ensuite, and that lovely bay window once again. Now, as I mentioned, we are situated over in Ellesmere Park. Desirable location, just a stone's throw from the renowned Salford Royal Hospital. We're also in equal distance to Monton Village, where you will find a range of shops, bars, eateries, restaurants, lovely beautiful scenic walks, the loop lines, Swinton Greenway. Up now on the second floor, the master bedroom, once again complete with an ensuite shower room, loft access ahead of us and just tucked beneath the desk here, and just round the corner you do have full access into the eaves, whereby there is plenty of storage, all boarded out. This side you can also stand up and walk within. It's a fantastic family home, looking for its new family, ready to come and view. Got excellent local schooling surrounding yourself here. A mixture of both state and private settings. And you are also surrounded by excellent transport links. Tucked away in the corner of the cul-de-sac, occupying a generous plot. So if you are interested in coming along and taking a viewing, then please give the office a call on 0161 707 4900.